Good day, everyone. Welcome to the part 5 of learning Korean language, which is related to places. And I'm hoping this simple video might be a great help for you in learning Korean language. Always take note or remember this one, that bumpy roads will take you or lead you to captivating or enthralling places. Always remember that one. The first picture in the first slide is museum in English. In Hangul, it is Pangmulgwan, right? Supposedly it's letter K, right? In Pakmulgwan, right? But it pronounced as Pangmulgwan. That's museum. The second picture is department store, which is in Hangul Pekwajum, right? Pekwajum or Bekwajum, right? That's department store in English. And the third picture is coffee shop in English. In Hangul, it's almost the same. It is coffee shop. Coffee shop, right? Coffee shop, coffee shop in English. Next one is, in English, post office. In Hangul, Ochego. Again, Uchego. That is post office in English. The second one is library. Library is Dosokwan. Dosokwan, library. And the third picture is hospital. Byongwon in Hangul, hospital. Again, the first one, post office, Ochego. The second picture, which is the library, Dosokwan. And the third picture is Byongwon, which is hospital, Ochego, Dosokwan, and Byongwon. The next picture is the bank in English. In Hangul, Unheng. Unheng. Bank in English. The second picture is the school, which is Hakyo. Hakyo. The school itself, right? And the third picture is Pangjib. The bakery, right? In English, Pangjib. The first one, Unheng, the bank. The second one, which is the school, Hakyo. And the third picture is the bakery, which is Pangjib. Pang is bread, Pangjib is bakery. Unheng, Hakyo, and Pangjib. Then, the next one is the bookstore, which is Sojum. In Hangul, Sojum, bookstore. Then, the next one is supermarket, right? In English, in Hangul, it's almost the same. It's supermarket. Supermarket. Supermarket or supermarket. It's an English term. It's almost the same or parallel. The next one is the beauty salon, right? Beauty salon in Hangul, it is Myeongshil, right? Myeongshil, beauty salon. Again, Sojum, which is the bookstore. Supermarket, which is supermarket in English, and Myeongshil. Sojum, supermarket, Myeongshil. Continuation, we talk about the theater, Kukjang in Hangul, Kukjang, theater or cinema, right? Kukjang, Kukjang. Then definitely the company. Company is Huisa, Huisa. That's company, right? And the factory, Kongjang, Kongjang. The first one, Kukjang. Kukjang is the theater. The second one, which is the company, definitely it's Huisa, right? Huisa. And the third one, it's all about the factory, Kongjang. The other one, Kukjang. The third one, Kongjang, which is the factory. Take down notes with the difference between the two, right? Kukjang, theater, and Kongjang, which is the factory. Kukjang, Huisa, then Kongjang. Definitely the next one is the pharmacy, Yak, which is the drug, right? The prescriptive drug, the prescribed drugs, right? Yaguk, which is the pharmacy, right? Yaguk. right? Pharmacy. Then, restaurant, which is very common for us. Shikdang, right? Shikdang tayo, right? Shikdang, which is the restaurant. And the third one is the singing room, right? Sing nore noribang, right? Noribang, singing room with furnished with karaoke or karaoke the karaoke bar here in the Philippines, right? We do have videoke, right? But of course, it should be furnished. It should be a room. So noribang, right? So alam mo yon, you need to go with band with your friends. Again, yaguk, which is pharmacy. The second one, which is a restaurant, shikdang. And the third one is noribang, which is the singing room which furnished with karaoke, right? Or the bar itself. Okay, so kantahan kayo doon, noribang. The next one is the park itself, kongwon. Again, kongwon. The park. Again, kongwon. The next one is the market, sijang. Again, the market, sijang. And the next one will be sichong. Sichong, right? The city hall. Again, kongwon, the park. Then the next one is sijang, which is the market. And the third one is sichong, which is the city hall. Thank you for watching with regards to this vlog. I'm hoping you'll already pag hindi pa kayo nakapag-subscribe, please subscribe with regards to my channel. And do not forget to hit the notification bell if you want to, right? Para you keep on updated with regards to my vlog. Thank you so much. I'm hoping this particular video might be a great help and adds your vocabulary in terms of Hangul. And alam mo yun, mga konting-konting ideas and terms which I mentioned, which is vocabularies, makompiled mo yon, it's good for you. Thank you for watching. God bless everyone.